Happy Tech Tuesday, I'm Melanie Moron with you at Innovate, and rapid growth in Gainesville is driving firms like Monarch Design Group to innovate and embrace technology, including virtual reality. Today, I'm joined by Barnett Chenault, president of Monarch Design Group, who's going to give us an inside scoop on architectural technologies. Barnett, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us, what is Monarch Design Group?
So Monarch Design Group is an architecture, interior design, and urban design company that primarily focuses in architecture, but we have a long history here in Gainesville, but with a more unified vision in order to pave the way for the future growth of technology and architecture.
And what excites you about architectural technology?
So for me, architecture and technology are always hand in hand. Actually, architecture is really the intersection of art and technology, and when we do it successfully, it should be a seamless extension of the user's experience whenever you inhabit a space. So it's not something that you actually see as very evident add-on. When we do it well, you don't notice it. For example, when you're inhabiting a new space, the space should be responsive to you and creating a more comfortable environment.
And how is Monarch Design Group using virtual reality in the work process?
Yeah, so one of our unique identifiers in the marketplace is that we've actually developed a process that when clients come to us for the first time, we're able to sit down and through integration of the technology and software systems that we have and a lot of old school artistic techniques, we're able to start talking through and pulling out their ideas in real time. And as the conversation evolves, we can go from a two-dimensional drawing to a three-dimensional representation while they're still in the meeting. And the value of that is that when you come in, all these ideas that you have floating around in your head, we're able to put them on paper for the first time ever, and then you're able to see it up on the screen for the first time. And the feeling and the conversation changes dramatically because it's no longer just trying to communicate an idea that you are the only one that's shared. It's now something that we can play with and manipulate. What would this space feel like if this wall right here behind me wasn't here? If this ceiling was lower, or if this was carpet as opposed to wood? And we can make those changes while you're still in the room, and you can say that was the worst idea ever, or that's awesome, let's continue that way. So it gives confidence in what your project is going to be once you leave the office.
And how is the next 5 years looking for architectural technologies?
So very exciting because you're finally going to start seeing some of the technologies that have been slowly growing and things that you've heard about coming to the forefront, such as 3D printing. Your very next home may be in a 3D printed neighborhood. Technology that is sustainable is coming online that's going to be able to provide for that on a feasible basis. AI is going to start taking on a much larger role in not only helping with generative design for new projects, but also documenting and securing historic projects that are in danger of collapse.
Well, Barnett, thank you so much again for joining us.
Thank you for having me, Melanie. It's been a great time.
And that's it for today's Tech Tuesday. We'll see you next time.